Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We're still in an uptrending market. As you can see, bah humbug. Why does this screen do this? The Dow continues to trade not only above the T line, but above the 3T line, which is very indicative that if there's not any weakness because it's up above the T line, it's definitely not showing any weakness when it's staying above the 3T line. So right now, the prognosis remains the same. You just stay long as these indexes continue to trade up above the T line. You can see where the NASDAQ started very strong with the best friend signal, gapping up through the T line, gapping up, consolidation. This is what we call a double doji setup. Consolidated, but it didn't show any real dramatic strength to the downside. This continues the uptrend, also trading up above the T line. The two strong sectors this week is still medical equipment and biotechs. You can buy eyes because of their announcement of their approvals recently of their equipment that helps blind people gain their sights again. If this opens positive tomorrow after an inverted hammer, remember the results of an inverted hammer is that you've got a 95% probability or greater that your uptrend is going to be in progress. And GRFS is a good example of one of the biotechs. Notice the bobble breakout. Bobble breakout is nothing more than a J-hook pattern, but more defined in the sense that you can see where it resisted, you can see where it's supported right here in the 50 and the T line. And when it comes back up through that level, we can recognize it as a bobble breakout. But what is everybody else watching? They're watching to see if it can get back up through the 200-day moving average. That makes for a very strong buy situation on a positive open on Monday. The strong stocks are things that are showing good reversals. Fubo, illustrating a best friend signal, which is basically a doji followed by a gap up. Once again, there's that doji followed by a gap up and a close above the T line. The probabilities are pretty strong. You're heading higher. Anytime you see any signal, there's your bullish harami followed by a gap up. Once again, closing well above the T line. Just gives you strong probabilities that a new uptrend is starting. So as long as the market indexes continue to trade above the T line, you want to stay predominantly long in your portfolio. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.